What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to create this effect right here. Nice, right? So let's learn how to do this on Canva. First thing, you need to have the design to the size that you wish, okay? And type your word, okay? Just like this. I'm gonna choose the word reveal. I'm gonna go to the background, click on background color, and make it the same color as the text I have, okay? For example, I have the text dark and the background as dark as well. Then I go to elements and I'm gonna type light, okay? Just like this, light. Let's choose one that fits your needs, okay? I'm gonna choose this one right here. I'm gonna move it all the way down, just like this. Then I'm gonna go to the option called Animate, okay? Click on it. Choose Create Animation. Then hold the Shift of your keyboard and move this just like this. Select, just like this. Hold Shift and animate. Just like this. Nice, right? Then choose the option instead of original, this one right here. Click on done. Then let's preview. I have both elements now, okay? Let me just remove this one so I can preview the other one. As you can see, I have now two animation effects, one from left to right and another from right to left. Simple, right? Of course, you can choose another light effect in the case that you wish. For example, let me remove this one, let me remove that one, and let me choose this light effect right here, okay? Now go to Animate, create animation. I can play with the position just like this in the case that I want, and here is the result you're gonna got. Simple, right? And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to change right here from original to slidey, just like this, and go to done. And of course, in the case that you want, you can click on share and download this as a file that you need, for example, MP4, okay? A video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys tomorrow. All the best.